Trying to love me, do you plan to hold on tight? Will you promise never to let go? I like you very much indeed, because you are a friend of mine, and we will stick it through. It doesn't matter what we go through in life. Trying to love me, do you plan to hold on tight? Will you promise never to let go? I like you very much indeed, because you are a... This movie is about 4 kids who walk ashore on an island, and Michael looked at them, but they did not know who their parents were. It was a lovely day. The sun was shining brightly that day. It was a nice day. Holly said to Michael, "We're gonna go outside and play hide and go seek." I thought, okay. Michael said, "Yeah, that is okay." It started to rain, and it was raining a lot. They finished playing hide and go seek in the indoors, but they wished the rain would just go away. They did not like the rain at all. By the time the rain cleared, it was night time, and it was late at night. They were already in bed. It was the middle of the night when David woke up, and he could not get to sleep, so he decided he would get dressed and get out of bed. Okay, David was up and he was dressed, and he was going to go to the strangest thing. He was going to go outside to get a breath of fresh air. Okay, David stopped for a moment because he noticed that there was something in the sky and it was coming closer. The thing that David saw in the sky was a giant bird, and the giant bird gave David a ride. David had fun riding the bird. It was a lot of fun. The name of the bird was the night bird because it only came out at night. But basically it came time for the bird to lie on the ground because David was finished riding it. Okay, David was finished, and what did he say? "I had fun tonight. I had fun riding the giant bird. Now I gotta go to bed because I'm tired." It was the next day, so what did they decide to do? They decided they would go for a walk for fun. It was a lovely day. They basically came back on their walk, and they had fun on their walk. They had a lot of fun. David told his friend about the night bird, but his friend did not believe him. But David was okay with it. He understood. Basically, daytime turned to nighttime, and it was nighttime. David decided he wanted to go outside for a bit to get a breath of fresh air. David went outside and he got his breath of fresh air, and he looked at the night moon, and he said, "Why do they not believe me about the bird? Why do they not believe me about the giant bird?" And then David said, "I'll sing a little song." Not believe me, why do they not believe me? I saw that bird that night, it was a lovely night indeed. It was a beautiful night, but when I told my friends what happened, they don't believe me at all. Oh, I wish they would believe me. Oh, I wish they would indeed. After you finish singing, he said, "You know something? I don't care if a friend don't believe me, because I know it will. I know that bird is real. So I'm gonna go inside now." Promise to love me. Do you promise to hold on tight? Will you promise never to let go? I like you very much indeed, because you are a friend of mine, and we will stick it through. It doesn't matter what we go through in life.